Let's make loaded baked potato soup. I use this recipe all the time. It is from the I Heart Nap Time cookbook. All the ingredients. After stabbing our potatoes, you can put them in the microwave for 12 to 15 minutes. We have my potatoes. We're going to cook some bacon. The bacon is ready. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm going to turn my oven on and do a little 4 or 5. Okay. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm just gonna chop it off right here. My butter's all melted now. Bacon fat, a tablespoon. I'm going to put in about that much. The bacon fat, the butter, the garlic. It was a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Yep. 1/3 cup of flour. 2 cups of milk. 1 cup of half and half. 2 cups chicken stock. About a cup of sharp cheddar. About a teaspoon of kosher salt. And some black pepper. I added a lot of black pepper and a little more salt in between. Gave that a good mix. And then I'm adding in my potatoes. Stir that in really well. Add my bacon crumbs. Give it another stir, and the consistency is just right. Baked potato soup.